For a long time, we've sort of had an imaginary goal of could we actually build a artificial animal, like an artificial dog or an artificial rat, and what materials would you need to do it and how would you assemble it? And for the assembly, we've got the 3D printing, we've got all the beautiful 3D printing stuff out here, and that's the equipment you would use to build something that complex. The question is, do we have the right materials? And we can do the bones by now, almost certainly. We can start thinking about doing the nerves. We can start thinking about how we will put the sensors in. But we need the soft, tough material that makes the rest of the body go together. And that's where the soft composites come in to be the equivalent of the tissues, which would support the soft body in this soft robot we're going to build. So what we've been doing the last little while here is looking at composites where, instead of the familiar composite where we have carbon fiber and resin and it's hard and strong, we're looking at putting rubber fibers into gelatin and soft gel materials and making the same kind of structure, but everything's soft. Composites have been around for a long time. People have worked out the rules of how they behave. We have no idea of how a material will behave if you put a soft rubber in a gel and treat that like a composite material and try and make it into cartilage. Now, the cartilage in your ears is very strong. You can be picked up by the ears, they don't fall off. And we've got no way of making that material at the moment, but we think we can do it on the 3D fabrication stuff. What it does is fill the obvious huge gap, which is we've got strong, powerful robots that can tear you to pieces or put a car together. We don't have any kind of a robot that will really interact with a person. So the robots we've all pictured of being friendly household helpers basically don't exist because they're hard machines and we're soft things. And we need soft, animal-like robots to complement ourselves. And that's why there aren't really many personal robots in the world at all, and nobody can build them. We're just beginning soft composite development. So we've got a long way to go, we've got a lot to learn about what it can do. But within 50 years, maybe we really will build an animal, and maybe we really will understand enough about them and how they work in tissue that we can bring the world of biology and the world of engineering together.